Hi, this is Sriyank Siddhartha once again. In the previous videos, we have covered almost all the topics related to lambdas and high-level functions. So please check those out. Now in this video, we are going to check out the concept of with and apply that is present in the Kotlin standard library. So here inside the IntelliJ IDE, I have a class of person with the property of name and age, right? Having some default value. Now, down the side, I am having a method of start run. So inside the main method, I have simply created the object of person, given it some values, Sriyank and age as 23, and simply printing out the values. Now this is the normal way of initializing the objects, right? But if you notice here, we are simply repeating the person.name, person.age again and again. But this is Kotlin, not Java. We can make our code more cleaner. So here again, we can simply use lambdas to make our code look more cleaner and also reduce the redundancy of the code. So here I will simply use with keyword, with, and as a parameter simply pass person object. Now then I will simply define the lambda, right? That is curly bracket open and close. Now inside the lambda, I will simply cut these two lines of code and paste it inside the with statement. But here we do not have to repeat the person object again and again. We can simply use name equal to Sriyank and age equal to 23. Now if I run the code right now, I will simply get name as Sriyank and age as 23. So this with keyword is actually the part of Kotlin standard library, not the Kotlin language, right? Now, apart from with, we also have the apply keyword, which is again the part of the Kotlin standard library. Now to use the apply keyword, we have to use person.apply. And inside this again, we have to define our lambda, right? So here I will simply copy the code from here, paste it here. If you want, you can give some different values, and then if you run the code, then this code will act similar to this code. But in case of apply, it actually returns a receiver. Now the receiver in our case is person. And apart from this, this apply keyword has the right to call these methods such as start to run present inside the class of person. So here, if I want, you can also use dot keyword then start run. So after initializing the name as Sriyank and age as 23, we can simply call this method of start run that will simply execute this method and simply print now I am ready to run because all the values has already got initialized, that is name as Sriyank and age 23, right? But in case of with keyword, you cannot call the start run method. It will show some error, unresolved reference. So this is the difference between the with and apply keyword. And again, remember, these two are again very important in terms of Android application development. Now at last, I would like to tell you that till now whatever codes that we saw in case of lambdas and high-level functions are just the basics and fundamentals. The practical usage of lambdas and high-level functions we will check out in our upcoming modules when we will talk about the collections in deep detail. So as of now, this much information is enough for this module. Thanks for watching and have a good day. This is Sriyank Siddhartha signing off. Thank you.